Korean kitchen. Today I will make noodle with soup. It's a perfect meal through one bowl. For Korean, noodle means long life. Traditionally, we ate this noodle in wedding day or big party, such as 60s, 70s, 80s birthday, or special occasion in village. It is 잔치국수. 잔치 means party, so it's banquet noodle. I will cook this banquet noodle in the most traditional way possible. Let's make 잔치국수 with me. Shall we begin? Go go! I'm going to make soup. Soup is very important in this 잔치국수. So I prepare several kinds of broth ingredients. Most important is this anchovy. This is for make soup. It's a large size, around 15 pieces. We have to fix it first to remove the guts and heads, because if we cook together, it tastes a little bitter, so remove the guts. Open, and there's some guts inside, so we have to remove this. It tastes bitter if we put together. I'm going to put water around 2 liters. I put 1 onion. Green onion. This is green onion's root to have good soup. Large dried anchovies, around 15 pieces. I used to buy a lot of shiitake mushroom in season and cut them out and dry it, and I use for make good soup. This is dashima, dry kelf. I'm going to put later. It will take about for 30 minutes with medium-low heat. I'm going to use zucchini, around 1/3. I have a 3 shiitake mushroom. I will put this to make soup. It's well boiling. Smell very nice. I'm going to make egg jidan with just a little of oil with medium-low heat. Yolk, It's finished to make egg jidan, 계란 jidan, white and yellow. Just a little oil. Stir fry vegetables with medium over high heat. Add pinch of salt. Next, shiitake mushroom. Add pinch of salt. Lastly, carrot. Some pinch of salt. When it boils to the end, I'm going to put dashima. Just simply rinse. Add 2 tablespoons of mirim. It is giving a sweet and get rid of fish smell. Well prepared 5 colors of garnish as traditional way: green, black, red, white, and yellow. Now I'm going to make sauce. Some scallions, finely chopped. One green chili, will chop. It's 2 small red chili. It's very spicy. 2 garlic. 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. I use 진간장. One teaspoon chili powder. 1 tablespoon of mirim. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of sesame seed. Grind. It smells really good. If it's grind, it smells really better. And mix well. Put aside. The soup well done. I'm going to remove kelp. And let's simmer over low heat. I'm going to boil noodle It's a 소면. 소면 means thin noodle. You can read it here. Wheat noodle, thin brown. You can find it from Korean grocery store. Stir, avoid to stick each other. It boils around 3 to 4 minutes. Let's check it. It's cooked. Rinse in the cold water. With cold water is for chewy texture. And wash noodles with both hands to remove the starch on the noodles. I will slice kelp for garnish. To put some sauce on top. Now it's eating time. I want to drink soup first. Soup is very good. In soup, I didn't put any salt or soy sauce, so I'll mix up with sauce. It's really yummy. You guys taste it. How do you find out my 잔치국수 recipe? It's easy, right? The noodles are chewy and all garnishes are really good combination with sauce and soup. Enjoy my recipe. 감사합니다.